Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good
Good
morning to
morning,
all.
ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
ma'am.
So let's continue with the exercise in the workbook. So please take workbook part 2. Badri, please take a workbook part 2. Page number 13. Page number 13. Workbook part 2. Page number 13. 1, 3, 13. The same page I will... Yes, Naman.
Ma'am, I can share the board.
I will share the board. Yes. The same page you can see on the screen also. Page number 13. All of you got the same page? Then let's continue. Rida Mariam, you got the page?
Yes, ma'am.
So let's start. And here we have very short answer questions. Question number 10. Very simple. Which of the following takes more time? See, we already discussed some activities take more time to finish, some activities take less time to finish. And here you can see growing a plant, okay, growing a tree. So which takes more time? Taman, which takes more time? Is it growing a plant or growing a tree?
Drawing a tree.
Yes, good. So we can write growing a tree. So please write growing a tree. G ROWING, growing a tree. All of you please write the answer, growing a tree.
Finish.
GROWING, growing a tree. TREE, tree.
I have completed.
Okay, good.
I have completed.
John Paul, please tell me the next one. Here we have question number 11. Filling water in a bucket, filling water in a glass. Which takes more time? Is it filling water in a bucket or filling water in a glass?
Bucket.
Ah, yes, filling water in a bucket. So please write all of you. FILLING, filling water in a bucket. BUCKET, bucket. Filling water in a bucket. FILLING, filling water. WATER, water in a bucket. BUCKET, filling water in a bucket. It takes more time than filling water in a glass.
Finish.
So let's move to question number 12. You can see here walking or running, which takes more time. Basil, which takes more time, walking or running?
Walking.
Walking, yes. If you go to school by walking, it takes more time to reach there. But if you're running, it takes less time compared to walking. So walking is the correct answer. WALKING, walking. So those who have completed, please take page number 14. Please take page number 14. And here we have short answer questions. Fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. And the box, we can see two words. More time, less time. Fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. More time, less time. See,
Last time.
look, listen. Look at the first question. Saying 8 to Z or saying 1 to 100. See, one boy will say 8 to Z, another boy will continue 1 to 100. Okay? See, listen. I will share the screen. Badari, you didn't complete.
No.
Okay, I will share. Just one. Please complete it. After that, we can move to the next one.
Ma'am, I can't see the board.
See, you are facing.
Ma'am,
That's
which
why.
book?
Text, workbook part 2.
I have completed, ma'am.
Okay, please be quiet. Some are still writing. Let them complete.
Ma'am, textbook or workbook.
Rida Mariam, who is writing in your workbook? It's your own workbook. No, please write by yourself.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am, again.
It's very less not to write. It's there in the page itself. So please write.
No, ma'am.
ഇത് നോക്കി എഴുതതാ ഈ കിടക്കണ ചക്കര നോക്കി എഴുതിക്കേ ഇത് കണ്ട ഇത് തന്നെ
The book itself, we can see the answer. So look at the book itself and write answer.
And I have completed.
Okay, so let me move to page number 14.
Sorry, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Please be
Yes,
quiet.
ma'am.
Please be quiet. Let me. Now, those who have completed, please take a page number 14.
I did.
So let me move to page number 14. Now here we have, see, short answer questions. Fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. You can see there are two words, more time, less time. And a pair of activities or two activities are given. You have to write which is more time and which is less time. It's A, saying A to Z and saying 1 to 100. So, Harriet, listen. At the same time, you have to start. Okay, Harriet, you have to tell 1 to 100. Okay, you have to tell. No, wait there. We will start at the same time. Tirtha, you have to tell A to Z. Okay, I will say start. So you have to start. Tirtha, you have to tell A to Z. A, B, C, D like that up to Z. Harriet, you have to start from 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. You have to continue. Are you ready?
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17,
Tirtha, you can hear.
20, 21, 22.
No. Listen. Please be quiet. See, I said, Tirtha, see, we are checking the time. Okay, which takes more time, which takes less time. So one will tell A to Z, At the same time, another will tell 1 to 100. Is it clear? So Harriet will start 1 to 100. Tirtha will start A to Z. Understood? So I will say start. So you have to start that time together. Harriet, please unmute the device. Okay, Tirtha. Okay, are you ready? Shall we start?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, start. Okay, Tirtha. Harriet.
1, 2, 3.
Tirtha, A to Z.
Okay.
Okay, Tirtha, you understood. You have to tell A to Z. A, B, C, D, E,
Anna.
up to Z. Understood?
Mama,
Harriet will start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Let us see who will take more time, who will take less time. Okay. Now, once again, 1, 2, 3, start. Tirtha, unmute and start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Tirtha didn't
14,
start. See,
14.
Harriet.
See?
Why I can't hear from Tirtha? Tirtha, once again. Okay, Tirtha, you have to be here. Huh? Okay, you have to be here. Don't talk with others. Okay, so please, you have to start. 1, 2, 3, start. Please start, Harriet and Tirtha.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43.
Okay, Harriet. Harriet is doing, but Tirtha, I can't hear. Tirtha, what you are doing? Is it A to Z or 1 to 2? 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4.
Tirtha, see, listen once again. See, we have two activities. One should say from A to Z. Another one will tell from 1 to 100. Okay. So Tirtha is telling 1 to, sorry, A to Z, and Harriet is telling A 1 to 100. Tirtha, you understood. You have to tell the letters A, B, C, D, A to Z. Understood, Tirtha? And louder also. Okay, now. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, it's already, I gave to them. Now let's start. 1, 2, 3, start. Okay, Harriet and Tirtha.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27,
Yes, Harriet.
29,
Harriet, which number you reached?
29.
29. See, Tirtha completed up to A to Z. So, Tirtha take less time, Harriet will take more time. That means telling A to Z takes less time, 1 to 100 it takes more time. Okay? Is it clear? So, let me share the screen. Now, we can write here the answer. Okay? So, A to Z, is it less time or more time? Less time. So, you can write here LESS, less time. TIME, less time. Now, saying 1 to 100, more time. MORE, more time. Please write the answer. Saying A to Z, it's less time. Saying 1 to 100, more time. LESS, less. TIME, time. MORE, more. TIME, time.
Less time. Completed.
Okay, now we can move to B. See, eating 4 grapes eating 4 apples. Once again, eating 4 grapes, eating 4 apples. Is that Jolie? What about eating 4 grapes? Is it less time or more time compared to 4 apples?
Great.
Grapes takes less time or more time?
Left.
Less time. So we can write here LESS, less time, TIME, time. What about eating 4 apples?
Long time.
More time or long time. So please write the answer, less time, more time.
I have completed.
Now let's move to number 14.
Yes.
What about others?
Completed.
Completed. So we can move to next one, number 14. Here we have tick the activity that takes less time than the other. Okay, tick the activity that takes less time. See A, you can see cycling. One boy is going by cycle, another one's riding scooter. Which takes less time? Which takes less time, Dhananjay? Scooter. So you can put tick mark for scooter. Riding scooter.
Next one.
Now, B, going by car, going by aeroplane. Which takes less time? Aeroplane. So you can put tick mark for aeroplane. Now, those who have completed, please take page number 15. Now, here we have question number 15. Which activity will take less time than the other? See, which activity will take less time than the other? And the activities are given: riding on the back of a camel or traveling by bus. Ayan Jijo, which takes less time? Riding on the back of a camel or traveling by bus? Which take less time? Riding on the back of a camel or traveling by bus? Which takes less time?
Bus.
Bus. So the answer is traveling by bus. Please write TRAVELLING. By BYBUS. Traveling by bus. Traveling by bus takes less time.
I have completed.
So let's move to number 16.
Yes.
Now here we have tick the activities that takes more time. See, tick the activities that takes more time to finish. And here we have A, the boy is running. Another one going by cycle. So which takes more time?
Going by cycle.
Running. So you can put a tick mark for running. Now next we can see riding the motorbike and going by cycle. Which takes more time?
Cycle.
So please put a tick mark for cycle. Now here we have question number 17. On which 2 activities do you spend more time in the evening? See, for which activities
the 14 answer.
you want to see 14th answer?
Yes.
Okay, please complete it.
I have completed.
Okay, now here we have page number 15.
Completed.
Now, question number 17, please listen. See, on which two activities do you spend more time in the evening? So, for which all activities you will spend more time in the evening? Huh? Playing, yes. Playing, you may spend more time. And one more.
Doing homework.
Doing homework. We can say studying. Okay, studying. So, playing, studying. You can write it doing homework, no problem. Playing, studying. 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 Playing, comma, studying. Now, those who have completed, please take page number 16.
Short answer questions.
Here we have the last question. It's a timetable. Badri Deepak, did you complete the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's move to page number 16.
Yes.
So here we have observe the class timetable given below. Answer the questions that follow. So you can see the timetable, and also we can see there are 6 periods. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 periods are there. And we have classes on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday also. Now let's see Monday, which all periods are there. Okay, Monday, which all periods are there? Monday we can see the first period, we can see music. Second period, max. Third period, AV, audio visual. Fourth period, fifth period, storytelling. Sixth period,
Storytelling.
dance.
Dance.
Okay, now let's move to Tuesday. Tuesday, first period,
English.
second period,
Maths.
third period,
PT.
PT, playtime. Fourth period,
EVS.
fifth period, drawing. Sixth period, dance. Now, Wednesday. Wednesday, first period, library. Second period, third period,
English.
fourth period,
EVS.
fifth period, drawing. Sixth period also we have drawing itself. Now, let's move to Thursday. Thursday, first period, storytelling. Second period also storytelling. Third period,
EVS.
fourth period,
AV.
AV, audio visual. And fifth period, English. Sixth period, games. Now let's move to Friday. Friday, first period, second period, recitation. Now, third period, fourth period, PT, playtime. Fifth period, storytelling. Sixth period, again we have games. Now, let's move to Saturday. And Saturday we have first period, second period, third period, and fourth period is English. Okay. We have some questions here. Let's see. How many drawing periods are there in a week? Now you count how many drawing periods are there in a week. Ah. See, drawing periods. Let's see on Monday. Monday, is there any drawing period?
No.
No. Tuesday?
Yes.
Yes. So here we can see Tuesday, one drawing period. Now, what about Wednesday?
Yes.
Yes, we have
Yes.
fifth period we have drawing. Sixth
No.
period also we have drawing.
No.
What about Thursday? No.
No.
Friday?
No.
No. Saturday?
No.
No. So how many drawing periods are there? There are three drawing periods. So you can write the number or you can write the spelling. Number name. THREE. 3. There are 3 drawing periods in a week. There are 3 drawing periods.
Finish.
Now let's move to B. And here we have B. Which period is more in number on a Thursday? Which period is more on a Thursday? Now look at the timetable, Thursday timetable. Now this is Thursday timetable. Now storytelling. How many storytelling periods are there? Storytelling we have 2 periods. First and second period we have storytelling. Now EVS. EVS how many periods? Only 1. Now EV 1. Then English 1. Games games also only 1. So which period is more in number on Thursday? Storytelling. See, to storytelling we have 2 periods. So the answer is storytelling. So all of you please write STORY. Storytelling. TELLING. Storytelling.
Ma'am, we can write also story.
You can write the storytelling. B STORY. Story. TELLING. Storytelling. Okay. So that is the last question in the workbook related to the chapter time. And you can see some questions as practice questions that you by yourself. Read the questions when you get time and try to do it. We will do during the revision time, these questions. Who is talking in Malayalam? Okay. So let me stop sharing. Let me stop sharing. Yes. So just we can revise that chapter. We have 5 minutes more. Okay. So we have 2 words. Which are the 2 words in that chapter for used for events happening at different times? 2 words are there. Which one? The 2 words we are used for events happening at different times. Which are the 2 words? Earlier and later. Earlier and later. Very good. Now, there are 4 parts of the day. Which are the 4 parts of the day? Which are the 4 parts of the day? Okay. Now, Ayan Jijo, tell me which are the 4 parts of the day?
Morning, afternoon, evening, night.
Yes, these are the 4 parts of the day. And the third concept in that chapter is some activities take a little more time to finish, some activities take less time. So these are the 3 topics in that chapter. Okay, so we will have the class test on next week. And do you have any doubt in this chapter? Anybody having any doubt?
No.
Okay, no. So let me wind up the session.
Yes.
Okay, so we will continue the new chapter on next week.
I love you so much, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
We will continue the new chapter.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye. See you.
Bye, bye.